My lords, may kindly see last order dated 14/3/2023, my lords.
Secretary. What happened?
Your Lordship, we have filed our affidavit, Your Lordship, supplementary counter affidavit. And there we have stated that it could not be done. A learned AG is to assist Your Lordship. He is in court number 1. And case may be.
No, what is the steps you have taken?
Your Lordship, as per the last order, what Your Lordship has.
We are aware of the last order. What steps you have taken?
Your Lordship, we have said that it cannot be done as per the suggestion of the court. Article 14 and 16 would be violated.
What 14 and 16?
Your Lordship, kindly have paragraph 5 of the counter affidavit. It says that it's submitted and reiterated that the post of Panchayat Secretary is a district cadre post according to Rule 3 of the Panchayat Sevak Appointment and Service Condition 1989 and Rule 3 of the Bihar Gram Panchayat Appointment of Secretary Rights and Duties Rule 2011. Hence, no combined seniority list was ever prepared at the state level and no persons was accommodated in the other district than that of the home district. It is further stated that there is no provision in the next paragraph, Your Lordship, paragraph 6. No provision of any appointment was made beyond the district-wise appointment rules in the matter of the Alpati's Panchayat Secretaries. The roster of reservation was also followed according to district-wise vacancies available. The 531 as earmarked was for the whole state of Bihar and the appointment was to be made district-wise as per the sanctioned vacancies in the respective district. In paragraph 7, we have stated the reasons, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, there is a typographical error in paragraph 7 at third line, Your Lordship. It is as per the suggestions has been, and it should be as per the order of this honorable court, or the judgment is passed in favor of the appellant following consequences may occur. Rule 3 of the Panchayat Sevak Appointment and Service Condition Rule 1989 and Rule 43 of the Bihar Gram Panchayat Appointment of Secretary Rights and Duties Rule 2011 will be violated, which says that Panchayat Secretary, the district cadre post, district level appointments cannot be considered for the state level vacancy. In subpara 2 of para 7 has been.
You are reiterating same thing, district cadre. All right, address on merits.
Lords, so its own, Lords, may kindly have a look, Lords, running page.
The dates and events. On what date you are appointed?
Lords, all the appellants have been appointed prior to 1993, Millards. That 1990, prior to 1993, that is the cut-off date, Millards.
Appointed as Dalapatis.
As Dalpatis, Millards. And thereafter, Millards,
Dalapatis.
Dalpatiji, Millards.
They should explain the status of Dalpatis, Your Lordship. That is not an appointment, Your Lordship. Dalpatis is, post of Dalpati is not an appointment. It is a voluntary post. They represented themselves before.
Where is the order?
Your Lordship.
Where is the order?
Your Lordship, as per
Sir, where is the order, I say? How many times matter is required to be heard? Where is the order? Appointment of Dalapatis.
no order.
Why?
That is a voluntary post, Your Lordship.
All right, sir. Where is the scheme?
That is scheme
Where is that scheme?
has been explained in the,
Where is this state scheme, sir? That here is a scheme. Those who intend to voluntarily appoint, voluntarily permitted to discharge the duties of the post of Dalapatis, they can come and work. Where is that policy decision?
that is as per the rule of Gram Raksha Dal, which was later transformed into the.
Where is that original?
Your Lordship. Kindly have page 260 of the brief, Your Lordship.
260.
Your Lordship. That is a part of the counter affidavit filed by a district magistrate, Your Lordship.
Don't ask us to look here, there. 260 is a judgment copy.
Your Lordship, there is, rule has been pointed out there, Your Lordship. Para 12, Your Lordship, Section 33, Organization of Gram Raksha for general watch and ward and what.
Section?
Section 33, Your Lordship. Para 12, Section 33 has been quoted, Your Lordship. Organization of Gram Raksha Dal for general watch and for meeting emergent events like fire, flood, breach of embankment, collapse, outbreak of epidemic, to encounter burglary or dacoity, etc., or in order to perform such other duties that may be imposed by the government from time to time, and for maintenance of public peace and order, a Gram Raksha Dal shall be organized under a Dalpati, appointed in the prescribed manner
Wait for that. Organized under Dalpati, a Dalpati, appointed in the prescribed manner. Where is that? You are saying there is no order of appointment.
Your Lordship, that is a voluntary force, Your Lordship. They volunteered to be appointed as the Gram Raksha.
Who is going to appoint? Voluntary basis only. Who is?
The Mukhya of that Gram
Where is that
Panchayat.
manner prescribed?
That has been prescribed in the organization of Gram Raksha Dal. Your Lordship, there is a separate rule for that, Your Lordship.
Sir, where is the prescribed manner?
Your Lordship, I could not bring that.
Sir, you are irritating, sir. Do you know the order sheet? Have you seen the order sheet?
Your Lordship,
We are still in the root of the matter. What is the mode of Dalpati's appointment?
that has been explained, Your Lordship. Kindly bear with me for a few seconds, Your Lordship. I'll explain, Your Lordship. Thereafter, it has been written that Gram Raksha Dal,
Dalpatis are appointed or not?
that is a volunteer for.
Where is the word voluntary, sir? On page 262.
I'll. Para 13, Your Lordship. Further, On the same page, Your Lordship, para 13. It is evident on a plain reading of the evidence of the 1993 Act as well as the present 2006 Act that all
Sir Council, we don't want any statement from some document. We want a government under this, what is this act? 2006 Act. They were appointed in 93. You are pointing out 2006 Act. Do you think that we are mad?
No, Your Lordship.
Then what is this? He is saying that prior to 1993 he was appointed.
They should show the letter of appointment, Your Lordship.
You are the state government representing. You point out. Now you are pointing out 2006 Act. How 2006 Act is applicable to these persons who were appointed prior to 1993? What was the position in the year 1993?
That is what I am trying to clarify, Your Lordship, that they have not been appointed. They voluntarily came to
So street goer will come to you and enter your office and started working. You will allow.
No, Your Lordship. There was a scheme. What was the scheme? Let me explain, Your Lordship. Gram Raksha Dal in.
Where is the 1993 scheme? Prior to 1993, which scheme was there?
I'm extremely sorry, Your Lordship. I wanted some time to.
No, we are going to impose exemplary cost.
Your Lordship.
Keep on paying the cost. That's all what we can do.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship. At least then.
The respondents.
Then Your Lordship may hear the appellant's plea. Thereafter we will.
No, he is saying that he has been voluntarily appointed, but you are not. You are in the meanwhile you are saying that no, it's voluntary appointment. Shows material.
Then he should continue his.
No, we are going to impose cost.
Your Lordship.
On 14/3/2023, various directions were given.
Your Lordship, cost may not
The
be.
same has not been complied. On the other hand, Land Council for the state, Mr. So and so, submitted on instruction that the matter be heard on merit. To stop. At that juncture, Land Council for the petitioner commenced the argument stating that appellants were all appointed as the Dalapatis prior to 1993. At this stage, Land State Council, Mr. So and so, contended that the appellants who were stated to have been appointed as Dalapatis, they were never appointed. Full stop. There were certain schemes of the state government to the extent that local persons of that particular village were permitted to join as a Dalapati on voluntary basis and discharge their duties as a Dalapatis. In this regard, repeatedly this court asked the State Council to point out under which scheme the appellants have entered as a Dalapatis. Instead of pointing out relevant provision, the State Council, Mr. So and so, he is relying on para 12 of the LPA order dated 11th, order dated 11th August 2009 passed in LPA number 789 of 2006. Para 12 is in respect of section 32 and section 33 of What is the title of the act? Yeah, Panchayat Raj Act, 2006. Such a 2006 Act is not at all relevant as to how such of those Dalpatis who were stated to have joined service prior to 1993, their mode can be taken note of under section 33 of Act 2006. This is nothing but misleading this code for the simple reason that the appellants were stated to have been appointed / joined as Dalapatis in the prior to 1993. In such circumstances, it was bounden duty of the State Council to apprise this code. Whatever the scheme or guidelines issued by the state government governing Dalapatis post prior to 1993 and its manner of appointment, or how the Dalapatis, how the local candidates were recognized to be appointed as Dalapatis on their own, within bracket voluntarily, were required to be apprised to this code. This matter is being heard more than a dozen times, and every time at the request of the Land Council for the respondent state, it is being urgent. Therefore, further the matter is urgent to 2 weeks, subject to payment of cost of rupees 10,000. Cost shall be remitted in the High Court Legal Service Authority before the next date of hearing
Your Lordship,
by the state respondent. Call the state.
Your Lordship, may I be permitted to read para 13 of that